What is up, YouTube? It is almost that time of year again. Yes, my favorite time of year, Halloween. And for this Halloween, I will be entering HobbyLink International's group build, and I will be doing the Monsters kit. It's going to be, it's a Mobius kit. It's the Monsters house. And this kit was given to me by Bob Busking, aka King Bob, as we know and love him. So I will be building this kit for the group build. Ooh. Almost fell off the table. All right, so we got the instructions. Oh, it kind of folds out like a brochure. It's like a giant map. Very cool. This is gonna be fun. Yeah, I wanted to do something a little different. I love doing vans and cars, but I kind of wanted to switch it up. It's been a minute since I've done something like this, like a house or something. Comes with these really cool windows. I'm definitely going to be putting lights in this, of course. One thing that I did notice, I watched some YouTube videos of some other builders doing this particular kit just to, you know, do a little bit of research, see what the kit's going to be like. And I did notice that some of this kit has some fitment issues. So I'm going to have my work cut out for me when it comes to doing the lighting and stuff like that, because I don't want, you know, those gaps to, you know, shine through. So I'm really going to have to figure some stuff out here. But this is going to be a kit that I'm going to assemble and then paint. I know that's really different for me because you guys are used to seeing me do like car parts and things like that where I paint them individually. But I've watched a lot of videos on this, and I really think the best course of action for this kit will be to assemble it first and then do all the painting. So we're going to do that. And we're going to take a quick break here because I know that you guys do not want to watch me take out all of this plastic. So we'll be right back. Okay, so I am totally not afraid to admit to you guys that this will be my first HO scale kit. I am a little nervous. I usually only build in 1/25th scale, so this will be different for me. That's kind of why I've been shying away from building this kit. I'm just a little bit chicken, but it does say 15 and up, so we got this, I think. Anyway, so here is some of the pieces that comes with this kit. All right, looks like that one came off the sprue. Looks like that's gonna be some side pieces. We got the little tower here, little cone thing. So we got those pieces. Got some pretty small pieces over here. I think that's a balcony underneath. Right here, there's gonna be some balcony pieces. Very cool. This is the base where everything all begins. Very nice. Here we go. You can see what some of this actually looks like. So it's got all these little side panels and stuff. I'm definitely gonna do some weathering to give it that rustic, creepy look. Of course, I'm excited to paint. And some more pieces. And the last panel or sprue tree that it comes with is this one. So this you can definitely see there's the balconies. It's gonna be or balconies maybe upside down. The balconies, all that kind of stuff. So this kit it doesn't look like it has that many pieces, but like I said, I'm mostly concerned about the fitment issues that I seen in the one YouTube video. I can't remember the channel I watched, but yeah, I think that this will actually be a pretty fun kit. I'm excited to do something a little different. I always love mixing it up, you know. So with that being said, I thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope that you stay tuned to follow along to see how this Halloween group build turns out. Thanks. Bye.